gonna come doodle on my boat. Y'all, look, I got a crew watching me. The audience is real. I feel so special, y'all. Please don't come doodle on my boat. Hey birdies, please subscribe. Not you, dude. Y'all, we trying to get crappies, and these freaking bass is eating. Please, sir, stay out of the crappie lane. Here we go, y'all. They eating too. Please, peace out. Y'all looking for them crappies, and the bass is interfering. That's our second one. It's windy, y'all. It's cold. I don't know. Wish us luck, y'all. We'll see what we can do. Oh my God! And it's sprinkled. They got a rain cloud. Look, find us somewhere. All right, this is crazy, y'all. I don't know, y'all. We hustling right now. Dang. That's somebody, y'all. I can't see him. Big Blue. Big Blue, you ain't who I look for. I will take you though, y'all. That's some nice ones, look. Got a little nasty on the back. But, look, I will take a couple of these too though. Cause these is thick. Dang, look at them. Y'all, we got rained on, y'all. We couldn't get the footage for y'all because, look, that's big, y'all. You can lip them. His back is nasty though. You see that, y'all? Look like catfish. Somebody might have got a hold of him. Y'all, it was raining. We soaking wet right now, y'all. The floor is soaking wet. We out here hustling, trying to get them, y'all. Bites starting to back up though, so we gonna see. Keep y'all posted, y'all. It's crazy. Lord, please let this sun shine and dry us up a little bit. We ain't going in though. Look, that rain didn't take us out. It's your girl, Maisha Renee, aka Glitter and Gills. Out here freezing, y'all, trying to get on this Delta. Y'all, it is really cold right now. We got freeze warning tonight, but we finna get on. It's probably like about 38 degrees right now. But look, your girl gotta get it. So, let's get it, y'all. Somebody got off. Dang, there's a big one down there. Let's see, y'all. It's still little, y'all. It's blues though. I think it's some crappie mixed in. I want to try out my little jigging, little kind of like a little cane pole, y'all. Kind of cool. Fits out, sticks out 10 feet. So it's got a little worm, and I got a crappie jig on the bottom. Kind of cool though, y'all. You just go where you want, stick out, just drop. Let's see, look y'all. Let's see, they hit it already. On here, there you go. A little tighter. Oh yeah, that's a good one, y'all. That's what we like. Let's see. Let y'all check him out real quick. That boy got a mouth on him. Good size, y'all. Oh, y'all. Somebody else. Let's go. He cool, but I'll send him back. This rod is real cool though, y'all. It's easy. It's fun too. Down too low probably. They up pretty high. Oh, I can see him. Oh snap. I can see him, boo. I could see him just like swimming around, chasing like the bait, trying to fight over it. So we at February 10th? Watch this, y'all. They like springtime, y'all. They already hitting it, look. I want y'all to see them. Can y'all see them? There they go, y'all. They close up. Dude, you messing me up. He messing me up, y'all, little dude. They're to the top. Alright, y'all, I gotta get him off. Hey, y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all something that's crazy. They so hungry, y'all. I didn't have no bait on their feet. I was just jigging my my crappie jig, y'all. And he hit the hook with no bait. Hey, they hungry, y'all. No. That quick, y'all. That quick. Y'all. Nonstop, y'all. It's nonstop. This rod, if y'all want to know, because it's really fun. This is a slab grabber, y'all. It's a 10-foot. Y'all, look at that. Really dope, y'all. Put a bottom on the bottom of this. I got to wait. I don't even need the weight, but they so hot right now. I don't even want to take the weight off, y'all. As soon as I put them in the water, y'all, they go and watch this. Watch this, y'all. I can see them, y'all. They're like literally suspended. Look. They already rounded. Y'all. It's not a game, y'all. It is not a game. Yeah, too much fun. Too much fun. I'm so lit right now, y'all. I'm fishing with half of a night crawler in my hand because I'm just waiting to rebait, y'all. This is crazy. This is too fun. Dang, they just like blasting the top of the water. Look, y'all, watch this one more time. What was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Already, y'all. 5 seconds. They gotta slow down. Y'all, we gonna limit out and gonna take away the fun. He looking right at it. They looking right at it. I'm not even a foot down, y'all. That's a nice one. Y'all, I'm not even a foot down, y'all. I put a worm on here. Y'all, they loving the night crawlers right now. I've been getting more hits with the night crawlers than I was with the mealworms or the red worms, y'all. So I'm just breaking that night crawler up and just putting them on there like little pieces because they going crazy over it. Glad I caught some extra. I've been keeping my bait on the boat, y'all. I ain't even taking it out because it's so cold. These worms, had these worms what? Right, like over a month, huh? Some of these worms is for December, I think. They staying alive. Look at, they already at it. Y'all. These fish is body. He could be kept, but some big ones in here. Hey, before I can even reel in, they on it. Somebody up. Hey, it's crazy, huh, Boo? Hey, y'all. Boo open up the top, pop the top like, oh, he going in. This is nuts. Oh, dang. Don't hit me. Look, don't hit me till I get my line untangled, y'all. Got off. He was little. I don't want you anyway. Look, I got options. They're like just suspended. Hey, y'all asked me how I found them. Cecil. Cecil Brown was over here blowing it up. Came right over here. We saw him on the other side. Came right over here. Dang, look at me. This one you get hit too, and your line be all crazy. Somebody already? Yeah, he already on here. Come on. Don't leave no knots in y'all line, y'all. That's how you get snapped. I think he already on there, look like. Yep. Thank God he wasn't bass fishing. I'd have been done. Look, y'all. Those are actually nice size, but it's just, they biting like crazy. Why keep them if you could possibly get a big one? He was a big one, I seen him. He little, he ain't got caught by the butt. This is what you call a out. Boy. And you trying to hit the crappie hook, crappie jig. Yeah, I'm literally up here catching all these fish. I probably used like 3 worms and then caught a bunch of fish already. I'm just breaking off little pieces of that night crawler, y'all. Let me see. Come on, get on there. This hook's so little. Nasty. Y'all, they already on it. What's going on? Look. Oh, he got off. Hands all slippery. Like I'm wrapped around up there, huh? All right. It's crazy, y'all. Let's see, y'all. I think I'm a little too deep for that one. Let me see. Already. Oh, there they go. Don't take no time. This is crazy, y'all. Those suckers is fighting. And they nice. Like a whole fight of who gonna get it. Let me see if I can get it almost to the top. They won't come. Oh, there they go. Got him. Y'all, right at the top. Right at the top, y'all brought it almost to the surface. And that's a big one. Dang. Gosh, I need more worms. Look, y'all. That's a big old red ear. Oh, and somebody is hitting my pole right now. Y'all, it's hot out here. Gosh, I can't believe it. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at that. Y'all, the red ears ain't playing. Oh wait, he get that glitter wiggle. Gotta get a picture of him for the real. Y'all check me out on Instagram. Keep hitting it. I'll tell you, they're not playing little butt. This pole is so fun. Y'all, I'm not sponsored with this rod, but I'm having so much fun with this sucker. Y'all, Nonstop, we gotta go, y'all. But look, it's been so much fun, you guys. It's time to get out of here. Last fish of the day. Look, you guys, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Look, y'all, and as always, catch these smiles, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. It feels like spring is close, you guys. You can tell. You can see like the white on the trees starting to blossom. You guys, little white flowers. I mean, that always excites me. So stay tuned, y'all, because your girl got a lot more to do, and I'm gonna keep sharing it with y'all and keep you on the loop. So make sure y'all catch your smiles. I'm gonna catch you guys later. We out. Say bye, boo.
Bye. See y'all later.
All right, y'all. So remember how early in the video Clearlake was a bummer? Well, not so much, y'all. I ran into a few supporters afterwards, and they made my day. We talked, laughed, took pics, and y'all, it was just so cool to just hook up with everybody. I was even gifted some cool crappie jigs from Crappie Closet, y'all. Can't wait to try them out and let y'all know what I think. But yes, Clearlake was amazing. So humbled to have all y'all support. Thank you.